Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to talk about Trump once again because we are not so far from the first zone of interest with this token on the max. Let's dive in. All right, guys, you remember the main plan for Trump, and yes, everything going by plan. I can't say I'm happy because the Trump token going down, the BTC going down, everything going down. So I can't be happy, right? I'm happy only I accumulated the alt layer, the chill guy, and the dimension. Yes, I'm now in some tiny losses for that tokens. And I already explained to you the logic of that entry. So it was a logical entry. So the first zone of interest for Trump starts at 1496, 1179. So this zone of interest water market just a few days ago when I posted the first video about Trump. Now people in social blame the Trump, so it's a pump and dump token, blah, 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 all this stuff. And it's like a, I don't know, some crazy scam project. Guys, this is a daily time frame of a Trump token. From on the max, it was from $1.52 to $77. So the highest point was 78, round number. So can you find the differences between the Manta, like fundamental project with some utility here? This is the same daily time frame. So from 5 cents to $4, and we dump to 34 cents. I'm not comparing, not 34, we dump to 50 cents. I'm not comparing the two tokens. I compare the charts. So I take a look. The Manta, the fundamental project, dumped 87%. So the Trump from all-time high, approximately, dump 76. So it's around here, can be dump the same like Manta. So what's the difference between the meme token and some fundamental projects? So of course, I totally understand, and I'm also maybe made a wrong decisions when I place my bet on some fundamental projects, and ignore some memes. Yes, it can be a mistake because, like we can see, the market makers, they absolutely don't care about attach, they don't care about utility tokens, everything what market makers and devs, in this case it's Trump, and the exchanges, what they need just people, the crowd, as much as possible, people who will trade and generate the fee exchanges when they traded meme tokens, and they absolutely don't care about some tech things or solutions, right? So unfortunately, guys, that's a sad true about crypto. So I think we have to just reset our mindset about a vision of the market and the crypto in general, because we focus on some fundamental, but we have to focus more on tech, just the charts, and trade these assets like just speculative assets. And don't be trapped with all of that fundamental promises. Take a look. This is the first zone of interest. The zone of interest, it means at this area you can start use DCA strategy. Can we drop to this area? I think yes. This is going to be the next one. But of course, guys, if you believe in Trump token, you can accumulate it now. Of course, it's not necessary, so we should drop exactly to this block. No, we can't know where the market makers will stop the price based on their soft, right, and propose. Also, I don't think so. The Trump token, it's some scam or so. No, it's just a basic meme token, and you can open the chart of SHIB, just like example the main player, the Pepe. So after listing on Binance, these tokens dump almost 90%, and after that trade in some accumulation zone and pump again. So yes, technically yes, we can see even the $100 for a Trump or so. Technically, yes. So nothing bad or some extraordinary happening with this token, right? So yes, we just slowly but surely some people distribute their tokens. Only the question, one and only, will we see the altcoin season Will the liquidity will start inflow from BTC and from stablecoins into altcoins and the meme tokens, because we can't know in a moment, right? And how high this token can bounce and everything. What is it? Now it's just an accumulation model. So in these 2 blocks, and I don't think so that Trump launched that just pure scam and listed on all exchanges just to scam the people. Of course, everything possible, right? We just work with possibilities because the crypto is an unregulated market now, right? So everything possible. So if you wait to accumulate Trump, all zones I showed you before. Take a look with my customer cursor, ADZ direction market move. This is still a free on daily time frame for this token. 12 time frame. Here we lay down at the bottom. So it means sooner or later, I think we will test some of that blocks and we will bounce. Anyway, if you even draw the channel, right? So it's hard to identify the channels correct. Now, let me try this one. So here's a parallel channel. We can't know, right, where there will be the second touch. So let's say like this one. Is it possible? So we're trading this channel? Basically, yes. So in this case, we can drop, for example, to this area, then bounce, test it again, and go into 0. Possible scenario, right? But we take in action or not. That's why it would be logical to see this move, even like this one, and bounce. From, let's say, from $12, we can bounce to 24, and you can fix a profit, 100%. Withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Got it. Because now it's just a hypothetical channel, right? So the people can draw the channel like this one, but I don't think so. This is a support. No, ADZ is still just like in the middle. It's not a distribution, not an accumulation. So nothing special, guys. Take a look. The money power on 12 time frame here. Somebody buying back at 1853. Some of big guys accumulate the Trump, and this price mean it's like comfortable price for that guys. We can't know the amount of accumulation, but we see by metrics, we see some whales accumulate this token at this price. Trade on 12 time frame, no data. 4 time frame, yes, it was like a tiny signal to buy with just a small bounce, almost 10%. Of course, for us, it's like not a big deal, 10%. But imagine if you invest, I don't know, 1 million. So it's kind of a big deal. So every single time, it's just a question of size of initial deposit. Take profit on 12 time frame, no data. 4 hour time frame, we dump it on the buy line. This one. Fundamental value of this token, now it's $16.42. Take profit line, 43. So this is what I want to tell you. If, for example, we hold the line, not drop to my zone of interest, we can see this move to take profit, then drop it lower again. In this case, yes, I think we're going to build this type of channel like this one. And it will be even the worst case scenario, because we wasted that time. And yes, it's possible because it can be this move. Take a look. This move can be even till just in theory for next week, 4 hours time frame like this move. Why not? That's why, guys. Now for me, it's not a time for accumulation Trump token. And like a conclusion, I don't think so. The Trump token, it's a pure rug pull and the scam from Donald. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your realistic targets for Trump token. If you would like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget your channel. See you next time.